Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays the foundation stone for Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Memorial in New Delhi. PM Modi calls Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar a world citizen, says he was the voice of the marginalized. The full bench of the Election Commission is visiting Guwahati on a two-day visit to review the arrangements for the forthcoming Assam Assembly elections. The team is led by Chief Election Commissioner Naseem Zaidi. During the stay at Guwahati, the team will meet representatives of political parties, SSPs and DIGs among others. Biennial elections to 13 Rajya Sabha seats in 6 states, of which 12 are ending in April, scheduled to be held. INB Minister Arun Jaitley gives 5th National Photography Awards. MOS INB Rajyavardhan Rathore and INB Secretary Sunil Arora were present on the occasion. A Delhi court is scheduled to hear National Herald case in which Congress President Sonia Gandhi, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi and 5 others are accused. Uttarakhand BJP leaders to meet President Pranab Mukherjee in the evening. Assembly Speaker issue show cause notice to rebel Congress MLAs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that development is sole focus of his government. He asked party workers to take the mantra of development to the last man standing. Besides, he also cautioned them not to get deterred by the false propaganda of the opponents who he said want to derail progress of India. BJP has decided to observe Urja Utsav from April 14 to April 24. During this period, BJP workers will visit to the newly electrified villages where electricity has reached in last 22 months. Party workers will celebrate Urja Utsav with the beneficiaries. In Madhya Pradesh, at least 5 people were killed after a boat with 9 people on board capsized and sank into a lake in Bhopal. The mishap took place on Chota Talab on yesterday night. Bodies have been fished out while search. Meanwhile, 4 people have also been recovered by the search teams. Prohibitory orders have been imposed in Maharashtra's drought-hit Latur in order to avoid violence over water shortage. Section 144 has been imposed in Latur till May 31st. Water is supplied through tankers once a week to residents of Latur. Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that to make economy more efficient, interest rates have to come down on PPF rate cuts. He added that PPF interest rate at 8.1% remains reasonably lucrative and that nowhere in the world interest rate is so high. HS Pranoy won the 2016 Swiss Open men's singles. 23-year-old from Kerala has defeated his German opponent Mark Zwibbler in straight sets. Australia is scheduled to play against Bangladesh in ICC World T20 at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru. South Africa beat Afghanistan by 37 runs in Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium. After chasing a mammoth target of 210 runs, the Afghanistan team succumbed at the score of 172 runs in 20 overs. In another encounter at Bengaluru, West Indies trounced Sri Lanka by 7 wickets. The platform which has set the standard of expressing one's thoughts with less words on social networking site, Twitter, today has completed 10 years of its existence. 10 years ago, on 21st March, Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sent the first tweet ever, "Just setting up my Twitter." 500 million tweets are now sent every day, with 200 billion posted every year.